3, 2, 1, power up.
Match 90. 15 more to go, including this one. 888 scoring on their switch. Looking good for the Red Alliance with a bonus if Mars just comes up a little bit short. So, hey, let's get this party started. Drivers take control. 135 seconds of teleoperated fun. Trying to get the switch, trying to get the scale. Pretty close overall. It's 68 to 45, but that's going to quickly change 1 point per second for each of the teams, but that differential should remain the same until Mars places a cube on their side of the scale. Now their score is going to grow at 2 points per second, which, as you can see, ought to make up this deficit in about 10 seconds. And there it goes, climbing up. And you can see, boom, now they're tied. It's 107 seconds left. Scale and the switch owned by red, the switch owned by blue. Looks like 45-75 might be trying to do a trick. That's the Tin Mint catching that and taking away the switch to make up for the fact that it doesn't look like the Blue Alliance is going to be trying for the scale at all. In fact, 44-67 has gone turtle. It is robot sleepy time for the Titanium Titans, and that gives blue an advantage. But right now, red is really scoring, and that's just 2 versus 3. Blue ought to be able to have something happening here. 26-56, Quasix working and trying to get those power-ups, doing a pretty good job there, but 45-75, the Tin Mints trying to get that switch back, and they want to be careful doing it. There's a thing that happens as you get too many cubes in a switch, all of a sudden its motion gets bound up. And you have to be careful to take care of that. So it looks like Mars is trying to grab another cube, but having a little bit of difficulty. That's 26-14 for the Red Alliance there. And here comes 45-75, the Tin Mints. They do it very well. They're getting close to taking that back, but Mars is probably going to try to make sure that it stays there. We just had a boost by the Red Alliance while they own the scale, and now their score is going to jump up very quickly. Considering they only have 2 robots, that's pretty darn good. Tin Mints trying to keep going for the switch. They got to try to get, they can't quite get that cube on the switch as much as they would like to. With just 8 seconds left, 888, the Robotiators is going to go up. Is Mars going to do it too? Yes, they do. Robotiators comes back down to the ground with 1 second left. The results of that match was won by the Red Alliance. How many ranking points did they get? They got 3 ranking points, 1 for their autonomous run, and then 2 for the win. Mars, 26-14, has moved up to the 3rd position.